Hello viewers, Namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Japan Calling. Today we will talk about omiyage. Sometime during your time in Japan, whether it is for work or leisure, you will definitely come across a word omiyage. Maybe you have been lucky enough to receive one. What is omiyage, you ask? Simply put, omiyage are gifts someone gets for their family, friends or co-workers from trip. But if you delve deeper into the Japanese culture, you will understand that it is much more than just a gift.
It symbolizes a sense of gratitude towards the recipient. In a professional setup, getting omiyage for your co-workers means extending your gratitude towards them for being at work while you are away for pleasure.
Usually, omiyage are edibles, and it is best to get small individual packets that you can hand over to people. This also gives one an opportunity to interact beyond the routine exchange.
Although the origin of omiyage is unclear, it is often stated that the custom began in association with sacred pilgrimages. Those who visited temples or shrines were expected to bring something back to their families in the form of religious articles like charms, miniature idols. Non-perishable souvenirs were given preference as these journeys took long. But as time passed and connectivity improved, it moved on to food and beverages. Most of the omiyage are locally produced snacks, sweets, wines. Japan also has seasonal omiyage.
So, how much does one spend on these gifts? One is not expected to spend extravagantly on these gifts, but it should definitely not be something too cheap either. In most cases, the budget will be determined by how well you know the person. For a traveler in Japan, there are endless options to carry back home as mementos. Each region has its specialty in arts and crafts, food and beverages, pottery, and so on. Some of the most unique Japanese souvenirs are
Kimono. This is probably the first image that pops in our mind when one says Japan, isn't it? Yukata. It is a summer attire made of cotton, essentially the casual version of a kimono. Kokeshi dolls. These are traditional wooden dolls without separate hands or legs. The traditional ones have a beautiful floral design painted on the front.
Daruma dolls. These are distinctly visible with their red color and scary faces. These are hollow round dolls modeled after Bodhidharma, a Buddhist monk. A unique thing about these dolls is one or both of their eyes are supposed to be blank and the recipient fills them in as a symbol of achieving a set goal. Thus, Daruma dolls are seen as a symbol of perseverance and good luck, making them a popular gift for encouragement.
Tenugui. These towels have been around for an easy 1500 years. Available in a variety of designs, these have multiple uses like a towel, a dishcloth, a headband, even a wall hanging. Furin. These wind chimes are a symbol of summer and they produce a lovely soothing sound. Chopsticks. The chopsticks made in Japan are costlier and of a better quality than those made in China. Moreover, the Japanese chopsticks are shorter than those that are found in Vietnam, Korea, or China. Edo Kiriko. Edo was the former name of Tokyo. This is a traditional glassware, and the colors and designs are truly entrancing.
Maneki Neko. This is a classic Japanese figurine which is often believed to bring good luck to the owner. Each color comes with its unique significance. Japanese stationery like handmade papers, diaries, pens, pencils, postcards, brushes are famous around the world. And if that's not enough, bookmarks, keychains, magnets, and whatnot. Other popular souvenirs can be Japanese decorative fans, beautiful umbrellas, sake, crazy Kit Kat flavors, senbei, rice crackers, and much more. Each region has its speciality, its mascots, at main tourist attractions, and one can find them featured all of these. If we were to list all the Omiyage possibilities, we would be here forever. But now you know what to get for your family and friends if you visit this wonderful country. And if you get a chance to live in Japan, these tips will definitely help you to fit in with your neighbors, colleagues, and the friends you will eventually make. Viewers, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe our channel, as we will be back with more interesting videos for you. Till then, stay tuned.